In Waterloo region, we have distinct neighborhoods like Beechwood, Hidden Valley, and Deer Ridge, and Kiwanis. And that's where we are now. Gentlemen?
The curb appeal here is striking. And this is one of the rare properties in this neighborhood that backs onto River Ridge Community Park. Let's head on inside and check out your new premium address. The first thing you're going to notice as you enter the front door is the bold architecture. Kevin?
Here we have updated staircase, feature wall number 1, and feature wall number 2. Not unlike you would see in, let's say, an upscale fine dining restaurant. Everything about this kitchen install is stunning. From the modern European cabinets, butcher block countertops, double sink, luxury flooring. This is everything you could want in modern luxury living. Main floor office, directly off the front entry. Jeff?
This open to above staircase fits the architecture of this home. Let's take a look upstairs. Before we get to the primary, keep in mind this home has had $250,000 in recent upgrades. Now let's check out that primary. You get parkland views, an expansive walk-in closet, and as expected, a well-equipped private bath. Completing this top floor, check out the 3 other bedrooms and the family bath. There's more to see in this carpet-free home. Kevin?
Luxury plank flooring throughout. We have the rec room here, guest accommodations, plenty of space for a home gym.
Most basement bathrooms
don't look like this. There's more in that backyard. Jeff?
And when you got that, no need to spend your Saturdays mowing the lawn. Complete with Trex decking and a functional hot tub. For more information on 210 Hawkswood or to book a private viewing, head on over to thereitzels.com. And remember,
We're the Reitzels, and we can't wait to see you here.